Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 7. Biuret test is performed to show the presence of A. Fats, B. Protein, C. Starch, D. Sugar, and E. Vitamin. Now, Biuret test is actually a chemical test that is used to detect. Biuret test is a chemical test used to detect the presence of. It is used to detect the presence of peptide bonds. It is used to detect the presence of peptide bonds. That's a Biuret test. Now, in the presence of this peptide bond, a violet color is actually produced. A violet color is produced due to the presence of an alkaline copper sulfate. So this alkaline copper sulfate, which is a component of the Biuret test, when it reacts with the peptide bond, coming across the peptide bond, it gives out this violet color. And that is why we say Biuret test is a test that's used to show the presence of peptide bond. Now, out of this option, the only option here that comprises of peptide bonds is protein, which is option B. Proteins are made up of amino acids which are bonded together by peptide bond. They are bonded together by peptide bond. So this peptide bond is the bond that exists between amino acids, and protein here are made up of amino acids which are bound together by peptide bond. So therefore, Biuret test is a test that is performed to show the presence of proteins, which is option B, proteins, and that will give us a violet color. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.